In this video I will show you how to read small letters, small text properly, how to use your smartphones or tablets or reading newspaper without tension. First thing you should do is to put the text right in front of your macula. Macula is the center of your eye. This is the area which is responsible for the clearest vision. So you should never use your smartphone like this. Everybody is using the smartphones like this. And in this case, they overtense the superior rectus muscles. And that's why they have wrinkles like this sometimes. So these wrinkles are coming from the habit to use or to use the smartphones like this, or to read the text like this. So you should never do it like this. You always put the object you're trying to read, for example, the text on the phone, in front of your macula, like this, or like this. But in this case, you will feel the tension in your neck after a while. So you use your smartphones like this. You also find the comfortable distance, and instead of squinting your eyes, like, don't squint. So instead of squinting your eyes, close your eyes completely and then half open your eyes. When you half open your eyes, you relax your eye muscles more. And when you relax them, you start seeing better. So you just keep blinking and read the small text at this distance. And you will notice that you can read small text much better and much quicker than before. So if you use these principles to read the small text, it will help you a lot. So keep practicing.